how to create professional account on Instagram. For that, open your Instagram app and then go to your profile. Then hit three lines that is on the top right corner of your screen and then select account tools and type. Hit that button. Then click on switch to professional account. Once you do that, start clicking to continue and select the category you want your professional account on. Then click on either you want to make it creator or business account, then do next, again do next, and you can totally skip this page or you want to continue with that, you can do both. Then here in your profile you can see professional dashboard. Thank you for watching this video.